pānga ki te kraua nei, ka aroa nei au noho atu ki aia, i runga anō i ngā tūmomo mahi katoa. Atu i te rua tekau tau. Taku hoa haere ki runga ki ngā paipai. Taku hoa haere ki runga i te whakawātea whenua. Taku hoa haere te takutaku ngā tātou karakia. Taku hoa haere kōrero ki ngā manuwhiri tuārangi. Ka mutu, ko noho tata māua roto anō i ngā momo mahi katoa hāngai puana ki te kīnitanga o tira. I tō mātou taki wā o konei o rangiriri.
One of the great things about our Koro Pat was that he was able to mentor and whakamana kia te tamariki in the mokopuna e te kura. So yeah, he was very well regarded, very highly looked up to, but more importantly, had a heart of gold. Well, it's been very sad that Koro Pat has passed. It's really been a celebration of his life and everything. So whilst it's very sad, a lot of the whānau are happy because we're rejoicing and retelling all those kōrero, all those stories. But more importantly, you see with the depth of people that have come to pay their respects from right across the motu in many different areas and different kaupapa that, oh, we didn't know that he was doing that. You know, so there's a whole lot of things that he did that people didn't really know, and he never talked about it. So, you know, very humble, but very hardworking.